so I have another unboxing to do. It's my February's Young Living shipment, and I'm so excited. I just opened the box. I haven't gone through anything yet, but I'm going to pull everything out and show you what I got. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's a different order. It's culinary. It's Vitality Culinary Kit. Oh my gosh, and yes, you can season your food with essential oils through Young Living. And I'm so excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, oh, little package. Little side view, okay. Front. So I'm really excited. Okay, so, alright, I need to make room. Okay, so this isn't the only thing I got. I also got some free products. Depending on how much you spend will determine the free products. So I try to spend some money to where I get at least a couple free products because I love the product so much. Alright, so, okay, alright, let's see. Ooh, fun. Okay, so Young Living, okay, so this is Young Living Vitality Culinary Cookbook. And stay tuned because I will be making some of these recipes in here. My husband isn't too fond of healthy foods, I guess you could say. So I am going to make some of these things, make some of this food, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know how he reacts to it. All right, so, oh, so much fun. Okay, so this is Young Living Essential Oils. Okay, and let's open it. So much fun. Every month I just get so excited when it's a new month because I get my shipments. Okay, so in this kit, sorry about all the noise, we have a spatula, we have some tools, we have, not tools, but cooking utensils. Fun, good times, okay? And I don't have a whisk, believe it or not, I really don't, so I really needed one of those. Alright, but it also comes with this kit, let's see. I don't have any room, I need a lot of room for this. It comes with a mixing bowl. Okay, utensils, and okay, I have to put everything back where it goes because I don't have a lot of room. And this is a rack, an essential oil rack. So this is going to go in my kitchen. It's going to go in my kitchen. Does it go this way? I think it might go this way. It might. Yeah. Okay, because there are the words right there, so. Alright, so it goes like this, and it also comes with, let me see, it comes with oregano, lavender, orange, cinnamon bark, rosemary, and peppermint. And to be honest, I actually made a sauce, and I put a couple of Vitality oil drops in there. It was really strong. It made the sauce really, really strong. So, with that being said, dry herbs that I get from the store, I have to use triple the amount. I'm being very serious. I love a lot of flavor in our food, and that's how we like our food. We like it flavorful because it does, from what I've read, fill us up faster. So, and plus it's tasty and it smells good. So with the dry herbs, I have to use a ton of dry herbs. But with the essential oils, 1, maybe 2 drops. That's it. And again, when I go through the cookbook and I start making food from here, I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it tastes and how much I used. But just from reading some of these, 3 drops, and then a couple of drops from the orange and lemon, 1 drop. So these will last a lot longer, in my opinion, than the dry herbs and spices you get from the store. So I already told my husband that I'm going to start replacing my store-bought herbs and spices with these, because not only do you get tasty food, but they're also very healthy for you. So, oh, so exciting. Okay, so that's my culinary kit. I'm gonna just put to the side here. And then, what else did I get? I don't even remember everything I got. All right, so what were my free? I'm asking you, like, you know, okay. So I got some promos here. All right. So I got my promos. Let's see. So I did get my peppermint. So I got the peppermint, which I needed. I did order that. Let's see. So this is Stress Away. I love, love, love Stress Away. There's so many things you can use it for. I actually used it in my face mask last night, my DIY face mask, and I do have pictures of that. Oh, come on. I do have pictures of that on my Instagram. All right, Peace and Calming 2. Awesome. So I have Peace and Calming, but I don't have Peace and Calming. Just a second. Oh, you really can't tell, can you? You really can't see it. So, all right, but I'll post pictures on that as well and let you know how that goes. All right. And then what else? I don't even remember. Okay, grapefruit. Yes, I ordered grapefruit Vitality because it's great in water and different drinks. I did order 2 of those, so that's another grapefruit I just pulled out. Let's see, all this fun stuff. I'm so excited. I can't wait for March's order either. That's going to be a lot of fun. I ordered Ningxia Red for March. Okay, so peppermint. We have peppermint Vitality, and then we also have peppermint, just regular essential oil. And this is great to use for skin as well. Whoops, I just dropped a box. And then this is Sacred Frankincense. Let's see. Yeah. I have a few recipes that use Sacred Frankincense. So I'll be posting those as well. I post everything I make because it's so much fun going through these. These go so far. Digize. And I don't know if I pronounce that right. Digize, this is good for digestion. There's also Digize Vitality as well. Oh my goodness. Yes, and I got some more lavender, which I really needed. Lavender is used for so many things. You can use it well, you can use it just regular on your skin. You can use it, a little side note, if you're going to use essential oils on your skin, test it out first. Lavender, I can use that on my skin just without any carrier oils. But if it starts to get a little red on your skin, then you can put a carrier oil. Done. All right, lemon essential oil. What else? Oh yes, my free Lang Lang, I think that's, I don't remember how to pronounce that. But this is free. Patchouli. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce these words. Patchouli, that was a free product. So exciting. So exciting. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's another little one in there. Okay, yep, I got some more Peppermint Vitality because I ran out. So actually, okay. So, and then Peppermint Vitality also came in my kit. Can never have too many Peppermint Vitalities. Okay, so that is what I have. So excited to get started in cooking. I'm not much of a cook. I'm not a chef. I don't do any of that. I make very simple meals. So I'm gonna go through my cookbook. Again, I'll post different foods I make and what I used, what kind of essential oils I used. And I'll let you know how it goes. I'll let you know how it tastes. Of course, it's going to taste delicious. Again, because of the potency of these oils, you don't want to, things are falling. You don't want to use a lot, which is why I'm going to experiment with a cookbook, because this will be my guide, my cooking Bible. So, again, I'll let you know how it goes. Maybe I'll even do a couple of videos. I don't know, let me know what you think, and I can't wait until I get started. So, I love you, and here's to good health, wellness, and happiness, and I'll see you next time.